Hello everyone. In the last video, we have learned up to paragraph. In the paragraph, one option I have left about tabs. I will explain now what is tabs mean. Take a new page, go to file, take a new and save this. I'm going to make a zoom, control and mouse scroll button. Here, see, if you press tab in the keypad, I will show. Okay, this is the keypad. You can observe here when I am going to press tab, it's moving 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 mean 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5. It is actually called default. You can take a backspace. It's coming like that. But for this, we can set automatically how much you required. Example, see, go to paragraph. You can go to tabs. Here tab stop position, where you want to stop. Okay, I want to stop on second. Set 2.5, set 4, set 4.5, set. You can observe nothing here. When I am going to click on OK, you can observe here, see, we have set now tab marks. We can visible here. Okay, I am going to type something. When I am going to press tab, see, directly it never go to 1 and 1.5, it will go to directly second. Again, you can give colon, then you can press tab and you can type. Again press tab, colon, again press tab, you can type. See, when you again enter, I am going to enter. So without typing, if I am going to press tab, automatically it will go to 2, 2.5, 4, 4.5, like this. See, again enter, tab, tab, tab. Okay. So in the proper way we can set the tab. Mean, what is the use of tab mean? We can set the space. We can set the space. I hope you are getting. Yes, thank you. Okay, if you don't want this, I am going to delete, select all and going to tab. Otherwise I am going to delete now. And now we can see the tab marks is there. You can go on paragraph, click on tabs and you can clear one by one. Otherwise click on clear all, it's clear everything. This is nothing but tab, and you can click directly, automatically it will set. If you don't want, just press and just keep it back like this. Okay, and next is picture. What is picture mean? You can go picture, click on picture and you can insert any image in WordPad. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so I will go to D drive, all pictures, animal. I choose any one animal here and open it. You can observe here. See, the picture has inserted here. Again, if you want one more, you can go to picture and you can insert one more. Wait. See, we have here two images. When I am going to select that picture, the one more option will come, change picture. You can change the picture, so which you required. So this is nothing but change picture. Okay, I want to make a resize. Again select that, click on resize picture. You can give it your horizontally of like 15 I will give. When I am going to click OK, see that image become decrease the size. Even for this also, select picture, resize picture, I will give 10 and click OK. You can observe, so it will decrease the size of image. This is nothing but picture. Okay, if I don't want, I am going to delete by keypad. And paint drawing, when I am going to click a paint drawing, it will give a link to the MS Paint. See, now we are in WordPad, but when I am going to click a paint drawing, it will give a link to MS Paint. If I take any shape and I am going to fill something color, when I am going to click a close, it will come. Again double click, or if I double click on that object, it will open MS Paint. But about this I will teach in upcoming videos. Okay, at present not, just close it, and this one you can delete it. And date and time, what is date and time? You can insert which date and time you want. See, you can click OK, it will come. Thursday, January 8, 2026. And you can change the format. So I want year, month and day. Actually this is month, date, year. We need Indian format. So go to date and time and you can choose this. See, 8th January 2026. So we can insert date and time. And object, insert object no need. I will teach in upcoming applications, here not. Okay. And okay, I will close this. I will open my previous file like evening. I will make zoom. Okay, for visible purpose I will change the font. Okay, I will change the font. Okay, I am going to choose a Cambria. Now what is find mean? So I want to find where are the student. I am going to select the word, click on find. It asking what you want to find, automatically it will come here. When I am going to click find next, find the next. So after completing that, it will show the WordPad has finished searching the document. Again, if I click find next, it will come up. This is called find next. I want to replace that word. Instead of student, I need faculty. When I am going to click a replace, you can observe instead of student it replacing faculty. After completing, it will come the message like this. This is nothing but replace. Again, I don't want faculty, I want to convert as a student. Go to replace, find what you have to keep it faculty and replace with what you required. Okay, so instead of faculty I need student, give it that and click a replace all. You can observe all faculty will convert as a student. And this is select all. This is select all. When you click on select all, you can observe entire content is going to select. If you don't want, just you can click on the page. Okay, just scroll up. Now we understood home tab. Next, view. View is so much of easy. When you click on zoom in, you can observe. So we are getting zoom in. Mean we can get the zoom, and we can get out. If you don't want zoom, you can click on zoom out. And here also we can do it. See, here also we can do. If I click minimize, it's zoom out. If I click plus, it is zoom in. Like this. See, it's a zoom out and it is zoom in. How do you want? You can apply it. Okay, I want 100%, you can keep 100%, but I am going to zoom in for visible purpose. And your ruler bar is there. Okay, I don't want ruler bar, I can disable this. You can observe there is no ruler bar. And like that, your status bar is there. If you don't want status bar, you can deactivate this status bar. Again, if you want, you can activate like this. And what is word wrap mean? Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, and I'm going to take a new. Now I will make a zoom in. What is word wrap mean? See, when I'm going to type content, you can observe the content is going to come down when it's end of ruler bar, because we have selected here. Let I will show. We have selected here word wrap to ruler. If I click no wrap, you can observe so see, you can see when I am going to typing, it's never come down, it's going. You can observe in the bottom scroll bar, see, it is decreasing the size. when I am going to click wrap to window, it's coming up to window, then automatically it will come down. See. Again, if you want to wrap to ruler, you can apply for wrap to ruler itself only. See, like this. Okay, so this is nothing but wrap to ruler. When I am going to apply wrap to ruler, the text will wrap automatically up to ruler. If I take window, it will come to window. Mean what is the window size will come. When I am going to click no wrap, it never come down, it's going in the single line. If you don't want, I am going to select this and delete it. And next, last option is measurement unit. When I am going, see it is in inches actually, ruler bar. If I take a centimeter, you can observe here, it ruler bar is converted in centimeters. When I am going to click points, it's converted in a points. When I am going to click in fixes, it converted in a fixes. But the standard is inches only. Okay, so I hope you understood all. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. The next video, I am going to teach you on small project in WordPad. Thank you.